Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this soft, elegant updo. It's my go-to hairstyle whenever I want something quick and beautiful that I know will last all evening. This video is kindly sponsored by Luxie Hair, and to make the hairstyle nice and full, I'm wearing their seamless clip-in extensions in the shade Caramel Honey Blonde from their new Coastal Blonde collection. I usually curl my extensions on this holder. It sections to my mirror, but today I'm going to clip them in first, and then I'm just adding a soft curl as I go. This also helps blend the extensions, especially if you have shorter layers. Now, clipping in the extensions for this updo, I like to start around ear height. That's where our twist will start, so it'll keep it nice and comfortable once it's up. And I've been reaching for this color a lot this summer. I just love how it brightens my hair and it adds so much dimension to my hairstyles. And I'm often asked why I curl my hair if I'm putting it in an updo. It gives the hairstyle a soft, more romantic look, but this step is completely optional. But if you'd like to try Luxie Hair yourself, I'll have everything linked in the description box below, along with a discount code. Let's get started. Begin by gathering your hair into a low ponytail with your left hand. I like to scooch it up just a little to create this soft swoop along the side. Next, I trace an inch back from my hairline to pull out any face framing pieces. Now, with your right hand, thumb on top, reach underneath and grab your ponytail. Tightly twist counterclockwise twice, bringing it up to the top of your head. Then with your left hand, tighten the twist by tucking it underneath itself. Now secure the twist into place. I'm using French pins. You slide the tips out the side of your twist, flip, and push it in. I used about 5 and they are very secure. Now take your ends and fold them forward and to the right to create your bun. Fan it out and pin into place, and then I'm placing a French pin here just to hold the fold while I'm pinning. Next, take the right side of your ends, cross them over to the left with a soft twist, and pin into place. And I did go back and just quickly touch up my curls. And if your ends are a little longer like mine, just tuck them up and pin, and don't forget to remove that temporary pin at the top. I always finish with a bit of hair oil. It makes such a difference, and then a healthy amount of shine spray to lock it in place. How beautiful. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.